Yes, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic of discussion is going to be an unboxing plus review video. I know it's been a while that we have not met with a tech video, basically long tech video. So today we are going to unbox a product which a brand have sent me. So let's unbox it together and see what's inside. So here is the package that I've received from Tunes. And here is the product. This is earbuds E12, which is from the Element series of TWS. It comes in a eco-friendly packaging, and here is the user manual QR code. Tunes also has a lot of other gadgets. You can check them out on the Instagram page or website. I'll mention the link in the description box. So we get a C-type charging cable along with the earbuds. And here is our E12 earbuds. It is available in two colors. This is the black one. You can also find white shade. Once you take out the earbuds from the charging case, light will start blinking. It indicates that it's ready for connecting. And don't worry about this blinking light. It'll turn off once it is connected to your device. It's made up of decent quality plastic. Hinges are strong, and I opened it multiple times and tested, and you can actually feel the build is good. So this was about the unboxing and the first impression. Now let's dive into the core, or the thing which actually matters, the specifications. So about the specification, let's first start with the connectivity. So this E12 has got Bluetooth 5.3. Till now, with my experience, it has got connected with all my devices very easily, whether it is in case of the first time pairing or during further uses. And also it has got a range of 10 to 15 meters, which is normal and decent for a Bluetooth earphone like this. For connecting, you just have to turn on your device's Bluetooth. Just tap on it and instantly it'll get paired. Talking about other specs, it has got 10mm driver. You get 38 hours of music play time when played in 60% volume because of its 300 mAh battery. It fits comfortably in your ear and won't fall off easily. Also compact and gives a very good in-hand feel. You get touch sensors for turning on and off your music. Also, the company claims IP65 rating, which means it's sweat-proof and water-resistant. And you can charge this charging case using Type-C cable. In short, it comes with 48 hours of talk time, 10mm drive, IP65 rating, Type-C charging, and many more in reasonable price. Now, let me reveal its price. This earphone just retails for 1177 rupees. You can check out their website for more details. If you like this product and you are interested in buying this, then you can use my coupon code IFLKLNK for getting 5% off, and on top of it, if you are doing prepaid order, then you will be getting another 10% off. So in total, you will be getting 15% off. So I'll be mentioning all these details in the description box, so you can just copy and paste it. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel, and also do like, share, hype, comment. Also, I've posted many other videos like tech, travel, informative. So if you have not watched, just go and check it out. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.